everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this fun, colorful spring look. So if you'd like to know how I did it, just keep on watching. To start off, I'm going in with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. And I'm not normally one to wear primers unless it's for certain foundations that don't sit well on my skin. And that's what I'm going to be using this for.
I'm not sure what it takes to start falling.
Next, I went in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Nude Ivory, and I buffed that into my skin with an AOA Studio F4 brush.
Between my head and heart, but who's calling? We're fixed strangers on our own paths now. Maybe we'll cross in time, but it won't work out. And I think that the hour is running.
For concealer, I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory, and I used a dense tapered face brush to blend it out. To set my under eyes and my face, I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder in Warm Light. And for under my eyes, I used a Be a Small tapered face brush and a big fluffy brush for the rest of my face.
I'm not sure what it takes for me to climb this. Instead of exposing myself, I'm craving it.
For bronzer, I went in with the Coastal Scents Sun Tones bronzer in the shade Light on a Wet n Wild fluffy angled brush. Next, I went in with the e.l.f. Contour Palette on a crown brush and used that to define my cheekbones and my jawline. For blush, I used the Profusion Blush Palette in the shade Juicy on a Royal and Langnickel Moda Pro pointed blush brush. And for highlighter, I used the Becca Cosmetics Prosecco Pop Highlighter on a Wet n Wild Unicorn brush. And I'm highlighting the high points of my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. To start off my eyes, I'm using the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in the shade Python Green on a Luxie tapered brush, and I'm popping that right into my crease. Then I'm going in with Coastal Scents Shamrock Green on the same brush, and I'm putting that into my crease as well, but just a little lower. Then I'm going in with Fresh Chive by Coastal Scents as well, and I'm using a Wet n Wild fluffy shadow brush, and I'm just packing that all over my lid. Then I'm going to be repeating the same things I did in my crease to my lower lash line, starting off with Python Green, and then using Shamrock Green. Now I'm going in with Coastal Scents Dreamsicle on a pencil brush, and I'm using that to highlight my inner corner and bringing it about a third of the way onto my eyelid and about a third of the way on my lower lash line.
I'm not sure what it takes to start falling, torn between my head and heart, but who's calling?
Then I used the Beauty Creations glitter in the shade Fairy Dust with the City Color glitter glue and putting that right on top of the shade Dreamsicle.
Strangers on our own paths now, maybe we'll cross in time, but it won't work out, and I think that the hour is running out again. I never knew what it would take, oh, I'm so confused.
To finish off my eyes, I used the Tarte Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara on my top and lower lashes.
Don't know my name, I'm so straight. What is it I'm feeling? I'm not sure what it takes for me to climb this. Instead of exposing myself, I'm craving in high.
And finally for lips, I went in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Oh My Dolly.
Oh, we're too long living disillusioned lives. We better cut to the chase with undivided time. We'll figure it out all along the way. You say
And that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.